If mobility support is something you're considering for yourself or a loved one, a few small design choices can make a noticeable difference in how safe and comfortable each day feels. Today, we are looking at a walker that focuses on exactly those details. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we are reviewing the Vocic Z21 Rollator Walker with Seat, a thoughtfully engineered mobility aid designed for seniors and adults who want steady walking support without losing independence. It features a reinforced lightweight frame, an integrated seat, large all-terrain wheels, and a foldable design that supports everyday use at home and outdoors. You can find the purchase link in the description if you want to check current pricing and full specifications. This model is best suited for users who need reliable balance assistance while walking longer distances, running errands, or moving through outdoor environments like parks, sidewalks, or shopping areas. It is also helpful for those who prefer having a built-in resting option during movement, rather than searching for seating. For caregivers and families, it offers a practical balance between safety, portability, and ease of handling in daily routines. Reason 1. Stable reinforced support frame. The foundation of the Z21 is its reinforced frame, designed to support up to 350 pounds. This adds a strong sense of stability during everyday use, especially for users who depend on consistent balance support. Despite its strength, the walker maintains a relatively lightweight structure, which helps with control and maneuverability. In real-world use, this balance between strength and manageability plays a key role in user confidence while walking. Reason 2. 8-inch all-terrain wheels for smoother movement. One of the standout practical improvements here is the use of 8-inch wheels. These larger wheels handle uneven surfaces more effectively than smaller alternatives, whether you're moving over pavement cracks, thresholds, or outdoor paths. The result is a smoother rolling experience that reduces strain on the arms and shoulders. Over time, this contributes to less fatigue and a more natural walking rhythm. Reason 3. Ergonomic seat and supportive backrest. The built-in seat and 6-inch backrest are designed for short, comfortable rest breaks. While it is not intended for long-duration sitting, it provides reliable support when you need to pause during longer walks or outings. The arc-shaped seat design feels stable, and the backrest adds reassurance when resting. This feature improves independence, especially in environments where seating may not always be available. Reason 4. Dual height adjustment and foldable convenience. The dual height adjustment system allows the walker to be better aligned with different user heights. This helps maintain a more natural posture, reducing strain on the shoulders and back during use. Alongside this, the foldable design makes it practical for transport and storage. It can be placed in a car trunk or stored in compact spaces without difficulty, making it suitable for both home use and travel situations. Reason 5. Long-term usability and trusted user feedback. In real-world conditions, durability and consistency matter more than specifications alone. The Vocic Z21 has received strong feedback from users for its reliability and ease of use over time. It is trusted by many 5-star reviewers, particularly for its balance of comfort, stability, and practical design. While every mobility product has limitations, this one maintains a strong reputation for everyday dependability. Final verdict. The Vocic Z21 Rollator Walker focuses on essential needs rather than unnecessary complexity. It delivers stability, comfort, and usability in a way that feels practical for daily life. Its limitations are mainly around the seat being intended for short rests rather than extended sitting, and it may not replace specialized medical mobility solutions for advanced needs. However, for general mobility support, it performs in a balanced and dependable way. It is best suited for seniors or adults who want reliable walking assistance both indoors and outdoors, with the added benefit of portability and comfort-focused design. If that aligns with your needs, it is worth considering with a calm and informed perspective.